Hey everybody, this is Ashley with Publish It Ashley, and I am so excited to have you here on my YouTube channel today where I talk about publishing books on Amazon and making money online. So if you think you like something like that, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my shows. Alright, now what I'm going to be talking about today is my income report for Kindle Direct Publishing from March 2022. Okay, and now a few things I want to tell you before we get into the numbers is I always get asked, how many books do I have? Well, I have like 2,300 books, but don't freak out about that. I think about 1,500 of those or so are planners that will never sell again, right? They're out of date. So dated planners from 2019 aren't going to be selling anytime soon. So most of my books that make money, it's probably about 200 of those that I sell pretty regularly. The other thing I want to mention is that I do run ads. I do try and keep my ACost fairly low, and I try and keep my ad expense fairly low so that I can, basically maximize my profits. So yes, I run ads, but I do try and create, I'm big into manual ads and really thinking about how I'm going to market my product, who's going to buy it, and that sort of thing. So without further ado, let's get into my numbers. All right, you can see here that my royalty payment for March will be $1,740.41. Okay, now let's look at what my ad cost was. And my ad cost was $121.52. You can see that my ACost is pretty low. I'm always telling people you have to know what your ACost is and what your break-even ACost is. My break-even ACost, it depends upon the book, but it's somewhere between like 28-30%, and I have a few that will like a 37% is break-even. So obviously 12% is much lower than that, so my ads are profitable. I have one ad set in here that I probably should have turned off. It was at about 27, which was still actually profitable, but I probably should have turned it off or readjusted it or done something with it because I don't think it was performing as well. So that's something you've really got to watch with ads performance. Okay, now how much did I make overall? Well, my total, when you do the 1,700 minus the 121, it's $1,618.89. So that is how much profit, actual pure profit, I'm going to make this month on Kindle Direct Publishing. I also do publish t-shirts and do through merch through Amazon. If you haven't heard of merch through Amazon, I had a really good month last month, and I actually spent about $89 on ads, and I made $413, so that's pretty good, over $300 in profit. And so there's a lot of things you can do with Amazon. You just have to put in the time and the effort, and I think Kindle Direct Publishing or Merch by Amazon or whatever it is, I think if you learn the system, learn how to use it to highlight and use your best talents and skills, you can really create a business that you enjoy, that is fairly passive in the sense that, I don't want to tell anyone that creating books isn't work. It is work. But once you've created the book, you can market it, you can do sales, you can do things like that are fairly low. If you want to go into your ads, I do recommend going into your ads daily and tweaking them, but you can get into a process where you can do that in like 20 minutes a day. So if you just had a bunch of books and you spent all your time marketing them, 20-30 minutes a day, that's fairly passive as far as things go. So I think this is a great business. I love it. I do this YouTube channel to help you guys. I really don't make a lot of money. I do it because I really enjoy helping people. I kind of had this moment the other day of like, why am I doing this YouTube channel? And I do it for the people. Like I've had quite a few people email me and I've had chats with who really have said that, I've helped them, and that's why I do this. I love the fact that I can help people like you who are trying to create maybe an extra stream of income, or maybe to be able to pay their rent or just even their gas bill, just something. I want to help you guys, so please let me know in the comments either how I've helped you or how I can help you, because I really want to offer things on my channel that are of benefit to you. So there's that. All right. Thanks so much for being here, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.